Hello, nice to see you again. Are you ready for today's lesson? Awesome. Okay. Hey, do you know who this is? Very good. This is Mr. Sun. Sun. Can you say sun? So good. Oh yeah. Awesome. Sun starts with the letter S. Can you say S? That's right. S, S. Very good. So good. What a good job. Okay. Next letter. Do you know what this letter is? Yeah, L. 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 Very good. Who is this? Is this Mr. Lion? Can you say lion? Lion. Lion. Nice job. Lion starts with L. Now, let's put the letter S and the letter L together. Sound good? Great. S and L together. Sl. Sl. Can you say sl? Sl? Wow, outstanding. You're doing so amazing. Okay, let's go to the next page. Here we go. Do you remember the sound of these two letters? Terrific. Sl. Now, let's sound out this letter. Can you sound out this letter for me? That's right. I. Sl. I. And the final letter, what sound does it make? P. Wow, you're getting so much better. Sl. I. P. What do all these sounds together make? Sl. I. P. Go ahead. Slip. I slip. Awesome. You're doing great. I'm so glad. Next. Yeah, you know it. Sl. Awesome. You're on top of things. Oh, what letter is this? What sound does it make? Ah. Great. Sla. Yes, T. The letter T. What sound does T make? T. That's right. Slot. Great. The word is slot. So good. Okay. The last word on this page. Can you help me? Awesome. Let's see. Do you remember what these two letters make? What sound is it? Sl. That's great. You're doing so good. Yep. This is the letter A. And what sound does the letter A make? Almost. Try again. Ah. Great job. Like apple. Alligator. Very good. And what sound does the letter C and K make? Do you know? K. Very good. You are doing so awesome. Sl. K. What word is that? Can you sound it out for me? Sl. K. Slack. Great job. I am slacking in my chair. Slack. Slack means you are leaning back. Well done. You are going through this so fast.